Hello everybody. Today we're unboxing some glass supplies I bought. Here we go. Oh, where's my scissors? Oh, handing in these scissors. What are these? What are these? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, the babies are crispy. Those are the big ones. I don't think I needed that big, but that'll work. Next. Save that. I believe these are the ones that I should have probably bought a lot more in. Yep. Should have bought more of these ones. These are the smaller ones I was hoping for. Unfrosted. I like unfrosted. These are dope. Sick as tits. Down dims. That stuff away. Ooh, big chunk of tubing. Be out of the way. And here's some gold I bought. Right there, some gold. Some more opals, some bigger opals. I don't know if you can see those. Oh yeah, I got some opals. Sweetie titties. More glass tubing. More glass tubing. It should be, if I remember right, this same tubing that I bought. And some pink Cadillac. If I remember right. There she blows. Yes. Woo! I did only order one pink. That's all I need. I don't need very much. Pink goes a long way. Oh yeah, look at that. This one's a lot smaller. I paid $30. And this tube that I bought last week or whatever is way smaller